share this with you. Happiness Boutique sent me out these beautiful pieces, these earrings, and this amazing necklace. They are housed out of Berlin, Germany, but they ship worldwide. I literally got these in a few days. I am so excited about these from Happiness Boutique. These are a perfect addition for Valentine Day. Look at how beautiful they wear. I like that happinessboutique.com. They also give you styling, like for one necklace, they'll give you 11 styling ideas. Absolutely love, love, love to see inspiration, to see how I can wear a certain item. But look at these earrings here. I love how they just, this is my style right here. Like I can feel, you could put on a plain shirt and absolutely just have some beautiful statement earrings on, even with a pop of red lipstick. I wanna thank Happiness Boutique, which are housed in Berlin, one of my favorite European cities of all time. I love Berlin with a passion. We used to go to Berlin so much, so much. Look at this, hold on, am I putting it on right? Look at how beautiful with the earrings. So if you guys are interested in checking out Happiness Boutique, I would definitely leave a 10% off code in the description box below. I hope you guys do give it a try. This is coming straight out of Germany, you guys, out of Berlin. I wish I would have known about them while I was there. I would have definitely checked those. I would definitely would have went into the boutique. But nonetheless, I'm just so excited to share with you guys. So let's get into the rest of the video. Hey you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm so excited to share with you what I just created here in my living room. It's like an indoor picnic date night, Valentine's Day. Oh, I love this. Oh, so excited. Alrighty, so I saw Adrienne's video from The Real. She did something very similar to this. I was so inspired, so I had to come and recreate this for myself, and I actually think this is gonna be what we do this Valentine's Day here, since this is gonna be our very first time here in this part of Texas, and I'm not quite sure how the crowd is, so this is maybe the safe way to go. And I really love this setup. All right, so I'm gonna take you through and share with you how I created and my interpretation of this. Okay, I want to share my picnic indoors. I was so inspired by Andrea. She shared her setup for a picnic indoors, and I just fell in love with this idea. So here is mine. I corralled a ton of pillows around here, snacks, goodies, all that you would possibly need for a beautiful picnic. This would just be like the starter before dinner and things like that. This is just some wine and snacks. Yeah. So here I corralled all the pillows so you can just lay down on the ground and get super cozy. I added a few balloons. These actually came from the Dollar Tree. So I did a lot of grays, metallics, and then a pop of pink and red throughout. I just used tissue paper as decor as well. That's very inexpensive. I think about 2 bags, maybe 3 bags of tissue paper and stuffed it. All of this is from the Dollar Tree, that bucket, and just different color paper. This is from the Target Bullseye or Dollar Spot. It was, those string lights were $3. So I think that's super cute and romantic. Then here, these are just little little Debbie snacks. They're just shaped like hearts, a box of chocolates. This is just an idea. Of course, you can tweak it and do whatever you would like. Well, this is just what I had on hand. I took those. You can get 3 roses from the Dollar Tree, and I placed them there. Super cute. This is a piece of glass that I had cut that I just used as a riser. And you may see right there, it's a brick. Of course, the day of, you will want to cover it. Like this is kind of covering that brick right here. But definitely just get like a sheet of mirror or put a blanket or something over it to cover it. But I just put this together just to inspire someone. You can totally just create an oasis in your own living space. Oh, I think this is beautiful. I would rather have this than go out to dinner any day. This is just purely, truly romantic. All right. Here is a little riser that has all of the tools that you would need. Like if we open a bottle of wine, a wine opener. This is for the beer, and the candlesticks there. Here, I just put a bottle of wine. That's just what I had here, and some crystal beer bottle, beer mugs, and some beer. And then up here, look at these beautiful, these are real roses that I just got from the local grocery store. And then here you can definitely add more treats, little bitty mini cupcakes, anything. Up here I just had a piece of chocolate, and then it's more roses here. These were only $5. That's why they don't look the best, but there you go. And a balloon from the Dollar Tree. Ooh, this is my favorite. This little fruit platter I created super fast. It has strawberry, grapes, pineapples, all of that. Look at how beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm happy with that. And then over there, it's chocolate that you can dip all your fruits in if you're into the chocolate and fruit. And then this is just more wine glasses and some wine. So here you go. Look at my heart pillow that came out of Target. And then over here is just a little meat tray that just has some veggies on it. Of course, I will add like cheeses, some nuts, a little pretzels for the sweet and sour, savory, you know, things like that. But this is just literally what I had, and I just put this together. Oh, this makes me feel so beautiful. I just feel love in the air, you guys. We have champagne, we have wine, beer, water, fruits, vegetables, chocolate, everything that you can possibly name, and even roses. So beautiful, so beautiful. Only thing you would need now is some beautiful music, play some games, and then maybe later go in the kitchen or have like some crab legs and shrimp, anything like that that's really special for you guys. Maybe some cupcakes or cheesecake, whatever. So I just wanted to share how I created this beautiful oasis here in our living room. I think this is better than even going to any restaurant, you know? I love it, I love it. I just sit here, have me, look at this, little Debbie heart cake, like anything It's beautiful. Dress up and just have a glass of wine. I absolutely love it. Look at that. I'm just sitting in my own home. Don't have to worry about crowds or anything like that. Just have your shoes kicked off, sitting on a warm fuzzy blanket, you know? Like, this is life to me. Like, I am just living it, and then have a beautiful bath or something afterwards. Life. Chocolate covered strawberries. The chocolate is so yummy. You can even, if you don't feel like dealing with the chocolate, I just got chocolate dip, especially for this video. It's called chocolate fruit dip from the grocery store. They're individually wrapped. So awesome. And it was like 4 in a pack. You can have your individual own chocolate. Hello, yes please. Or you definitely could do the double boiler way on the stove. But look. Oh, I am here for it all. Perfect. And look, my Happiness Boutique. I hope you guys do check out their channel. They even sent me inside a beautiful little Polaroid, and it has a heart for Raquel on the back. How cute. I absolutely love personalized. I will always cherish this forever. It came inside of this beautiful little box right here. So if you do have time, because it only took me a few days to receive it, even though it came from Berlin, Germany, I literally got it in a few days. It's free worldwide shipping. All right. So if you guys do want to check them out, make sure you check down below. I'll have a 10% discount code for you guys. You will living room on Aces. Maybe not for Valentine's, but maybe someone's birthday, or, you know, just a girlfriend. Though this would be a good girls' night in. You know, just come lay on the living room floor and just have beautiful, not necessarily saying happy Valentine's or I love you, but just switch it up and have it like girls' night in. I may actually host one of those parties and just come and we'll just lounge on the floor. I love that. Kind of casual. All right, and look at this beauty right here. Came out of Target. How cute. I love it. I had it on our bed. I brought it out here. So thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you guys was inspired or enjoyed this thus far. I will speak to you guys very soon. Bye for now. You have to try this. It's just amazing. This will be an awesome setup, even if you're by yourself. Or just call some girlfriends over, or whatever the case may be. Your sister, aunt, mother, somebody will absolutely love this setup. Even if you just do it for yourself, because I would love just to pamper myself as well. You know? Sometimes we just need to take a day for ourselves anyways.